Welcome back, everyone. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention estimate that almost 10 million cases of foodborne illness are caused by 9 major pathogens. A separate CDC study determined that 21% of foodborne illness outbreaks were caused by food consumed in a private home. Joining this morning from Gundersen Infection Control to discuss ways we can keep our families healthy is Marilyn Michels. Good morning, Marilyn. Thanks for getting up with us.
Good morning, Amy.
So often we hear about these outbreaks where it's, we've heard different foods that were served at a restaurant or sold at a grocery store. So I was surprised to learn that so many cases are actually caused probably by improper cooking techniques at home.
Well, food is a perfect background or medium for bacteria to grow, and mold and yeast. So it doesn't matter where it's produced. 25% is actually a pretty good percentage when you think about it. Not many people who live in their home know how to prepare food safely.
So what are we doing wrong?
Well, maintaining a safe temperature is a very important thing. Realizing that when you have a temperature between 40 and 140 degrees for food that either should be served hot or cold is your danger zone. So either hot food should stay hot, or you need to cool them down quickly, and cold food should stay cold to prevent that bacterial growth from happening.
Okay. There are going to be a lot of get-togethers coming up this next weekend for the Memorial Day holiday. How long should that food sit out on the picnic table?
Oh, that's a good question. Generally, you want to maintain that safe temperature zone and get it there within 2 hours. If you get to 4 hours of being in that danger zone, you have the risk of a lot of bacteria being able to reproduce, and so you're going to have more bacteria in that food.
Okay, obviously if it's a cold food that gets warm, you should probably just toss it. What about hot foods that cool down a little bit? If you reheat it, is it safe to eat again?
Well, once that bacteria is there, it's very hard to get rid of it. It may be producing toxins that aren't necessarily killed off by heating it up again. So the best thing is to get it cooled down as quickly as possible. You may want to put the food in a shallow tray, get it into the refrigerator, use ice trays. Any way that you can get that cooled down within 2 hours is the best practice.
So basically, prepare it, eat it, put it away.
Correct.
And if you don't put it away, toss it.
You got it.
Saves your tummy a lot of trouble later on. Marilyn Michels, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Some good tips that all of us will probably put into use this weekend. Well, stay with us, Alex.